SpaceX's Falcon 9, the booster that made history. Spawned from the mind of Elon Musk, Falcon 9 has forever altered the landscape of space exploration. Engineered for perfection, this reusable booster rocket stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable curiosity. Its powers were not contained to a single use. Unlike its predecessors, Falcon 9 was designed to return and land vertically. This monumental achievement slashed costs, making space travel more accessible and sustainable than ever before. Its historic flight to the International Space Station brought us one step closer to realizing our dreams of becoming interstellar species. Falcon 9's triumph is not just SpaceX's achievement, but humanity's. It represents our collective aspiration to reach beyond our known boundaries. Join us in this journey as we delve deeper into the story of Falcon 9, the booster rocket that made history.